Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are playing a boat simulator. So I am alone. Oh, mine thinks straight. So can you quiet it down? So let's start building a boat. Okay, last time I saw quite people saw the video. Okay. So I want to try something. I don't know if this is actually gonna work. I don't know if I should even try. It's worth it though. Hey, good. It hasn't moved. Not yet. Okay, wait. Where's my seat? Wait, no, I've got an even better idea. Okay, I saw that I had the balloons before, but okay, yes, it's blown up. I want to try something. Can I? Okay, let's see. Yes, I want to launch this beautiful masterpiece. It took hours and hours and took my imagination to build. Yes! Wait, I'm not going forwards though. No! Oh. No, but you get back in. No, I'm trying to click. No. Get back here. No. I don't think I can launch. Okay, please tell me, do I still have those pieces? Yes, I do have those. I do. So, what am I gonna do with that boat? You know what? Never mind. Let's forget about that. But build a beautiful masterpiece. Okay. So, okay, a seat. Let's put a steering wheel. I don't know which way this is going. Okay, I'll just do that. Okay. Ooh. Don't know what this lever does, but it looks cool right next to me only. Okay, but if I do, I will have an emergency thing. Just it's an easy flick and switch. Oh, now that is beauty right there. Oh wait. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it at that. Okay, let's build. Let us build something beautiful. Okay, so I know this is a lot of taking, all of this hard work and masterpiece, but after a while, I have made something brilliant. Okay, so let's see if. Okay, wait. No, I need to. Oh, no. That did not go according to plan. Okay, wait, I need to. No, I need to rotate you so that whenever you. Oh, yes! But that will sadly come off. Wait. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, wait. Nope. Okay. No, that still does not work. Okay. Yes! It's an extra safe trapdoor. As you can see from my masterpiece, if you click right here, okay, wait, beautiful compact secret lever. Bye bye. Okay, so let's launch the boat. Okay, let's see. Does this work? Yes, beautiful! It's gonna, as soon as it falls off, I will start flying into the air with nothing but mastery. So, oh wait, yeah, I forgot I can just. Wait, is it me or am I not controlling this anymore? Okay, what the heck's happening? What the heck is happening? I don't think I'm in control now. I don't. No, I'm not in control of this, guys. What? Why am I not in control? Okay, wait, no. Flick the secret, not so secret lever. If I can get to it, come on. But are you kidding me? Oh wait, no, it's working again. You know what? I did not know this was gonna happen. No, I'm stuck up. No. Okay, you know what? I will fix this whenever we get right back. Okay, so I made this boat. It's a bit different from last time. Okay, that's the ice challenge. Okay, so let's launch this boat. Oh, my touch off. You know it's going to be the same as last time, but instead my secret lever is hidden. Okay, but this time I can actually control it. So I don't know why. Okay, but whenever this starts float off, I will then back out. This is attack mode. Defense mode is when both of them are on. But for right now, I did make a backup just in case I fall out. So that whenever I do fall out, I can easily just climb on, sit in that seat, but I can't control it. But I at least will have some cover if it does work. I always put some safety measure. Oh, beautiful. There. I hate those aliens. Okay, if you look to the right, yeah, you can see my mouse. Yeah, those aliens. I hate those from Space Invaders. Yeah. They annoy me so much with their laser pew pew pew. They are going to destroy everything. No. Okay, now I understand why I always cover my head since they do a lot. Oh no. Here they come! Here are the lasers! Oh no, they're gonna destroy everything at the back of me. Yeah, they are. Okay, I don't. This does not look good for me by any chance means necessary. Are those, yeah, those pins are stuck. Oh wait, we know we're actually slipping. So no wonder they were trained. Okay, wait. Good thing, like, as soon as it stops, you only have a certain amount of time before it comes. You actually. I'm gonna claim this. Oh no, 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 no! Those are bombs. Ah, I almost touched it. Okay, wait, no. This I'm gonna need speed run on. Okay, I'm gonna need a speed run. Okay, no, it did happen. I knew it. Okay, no, come on, but get back here, but no, I made it so close. My paintbrushes, those do. We'll never know. But okay, so we have new chests. Okay, but I will open one of these and an uncommon one. Two uncommon ones, actually. Okay. Two advanced. Okay, okay, good, nice. All right. Okay. Okay, now I still need to figure out. I need to still figure out what that does. That's my okay. That went well. Okay, but I will do something in a bit. Okay, so I did one run to just get a bit more gold so I can get another rare chest. Since, next time I do a video like this, I'm going to get a lot of material to use with, actually. Okay, so... Okay, so... Put these two out, so... This doesn't do anything. What do you do? Wait, what? Is it me or did the button get... Oh! Ah. Everyone remember that trap door before? Well, now. Yes. I can make it better.